Hey Black. Hey Gluttony. Hey Envy. Hey Pride. Hey Sloth. Hey Greed. Hey Habit. You finally got my name right. Hi. Scar. This still tastes like milk. This Dr. Pepper taste is like kind of overwhelming, but I have a burger. How's your burger? With the bun. I can't see because I don't have my glasses. You're blind. How many fingers am I holding up? 4. You're close. 2. 3. Good. I fail. What the fudge is that? I'm trying to burp. Okay. Is that who? Not what. Oh. It's Riza. Oh. There's a light behind you. Go towards the light! What was that? Mom. My mom's dead. I'll make you chop my burger. My burger. My mom's not actually dead. Oh my gosh! Even though we are placed in Munich, Germany, in the 1800s, I miss Japan. Don't you miss Japan? Even though we're in Germany. Huh? Don't you miss Japan even though we're in Germany? Sure. It'd be awesome if like just like once a year it just like flew over us and then like we could like fly up and then and then I'd have my real wife and kid back, right? Well, you see it's not your real kid. I said, and then I'd get to see my real wife and kid, meaning since I'm dead, I'm only seeing reincarnations of them. Wait, so I'm not real? You dead Al. I mean, my name is Fudge! Fudge! I hate this video! I need better acting skills! Yes, you do. Okay? That never happened. You're like having a moment with your hand. It's like... That never happened, okay? That'd be scary. No, I'm not gonna say it. I want to play the swing set. Let's do that next. Are you done? No. Oh look, I got my arm back. Oh, because you're dead, Ed. I'm not dead. I came back to life and then I went to Germany. Bring back
Save
my...
Al.
Yeah. And then I got... Well, not technically. Ew! Ew! It's wet now. Al, if you're watching this, help me. Or Roy. I know Roy will watch this. Because Roy is a sneak. I just like Roy and his dog fetish.
I did that on purpose.
Okay. Our acting skills fail. We need to
Like
practice.
blew back in my
Boo back?
it blew back in my face.
What's boo back?
It blew back in my face when I did that. The wind made it
Boo back.
blue. Blue.
Boob. What is it? This is there. You'll rust out my arm. My auto mail. My left leg. Yeah.
Wow.
What's wrong with my? I can't show my right arm. I'm sorry, people. I look weird. Yeah. It's like I'm blushing. Hold
Wow.
on. I want to see something. Hello, people. It's like a Mickey Mouse kind of thing going off my head. See, look, if I get, look. Hold on. Look, doesn't it look like a Mickey Mouse ears? Doesn't it? I look cool like this. I should live like this forever.
I don't have a fork.
Just use your fingers. Yeah, Roy will really like that. Oh my god, you're disgusting. I said use your fingers. You're short.
Not a short
Wait. I grew 2 centimeters, okay? Excuse me. You wouldn't be that tall either if you were like, I don't know, had an automail arm and an automail leg. You'd be short too.
I'm gonna give you a fork.
Can you throw this out for me?
Oh my gosh, we made a 7-minute video again.
I'll follow you.
I'll just continue our videos.
That was like 4. Nah, dude, keep those online.
What's they doing on? What's they doing on? I mean, what is Riza doing online? Hi.
JK.
Goodbye.